I'm going to talk about high temperature heat pumps to make industrial heat emission-free. And I can tell you one thing, this business is really hot and it is developing very rapidly. It's a great business case. I'm probably talking to the converted here, but if you see the current environment, it's extremely hard to operate for industry. High energy prices, climate change pressures, water availability for cooling water, all those things also in certification and in ESG action. So what we do is we have a lot of heat that we can actually decarbonize, about 25% of all heat. We do that with the heat pump. The heat pump can go to 200 degrees centigrade, and we can actually save about 85% of energy and carbon footprint. This is the machine that we're looking at. Now, I'm an engineer, and if you look at this machine, I get really excited. It's about steel. It's about really something that we made. On the other hand, it's also a big money machine because you have a business case that really works. Now, about the unique advantages of Heaten, it's a piston machine. It's very good performance in high temperature, very high efficient. It's around the 50% Carnot for the experts, very flexible to adapt to a customer, and it's high capacity. One machine for a customer will save them €1 million a year and 210,000 euros a year in carbon rights, while saving 2.8 kilotons a year in CO2. That will give them a payback time of 1 to 4 years, 2 to 4 years roughly. We are looking at several industries: food, chemicals, power capture and power to X, the more modern business models, and district heating. And we have in each segment either orders or negotiations. It's a highly scalable business model. It would be to no avail if we couldn't scale quickly. So it's based on engine technology, conventional engine technology, but there's a whole bunch of patents to make it possible. And we have this team that's on a mission. André Kuipers, a famous astronaut, once said, you need to have thinkers, you need to have dreamers, you need to have doers and daredevils. And they're all in this team, and they're all on a mission. This is history, I'll skip that. But we are now raising round B to commercialize and manufacture this product. And we expect to grow to 840 million in revenue by 2030. And that's based on a strong industry demand and combination of a sound business model and climate impact, the potential to scale very exponentially, and the potential to avoid about 1 gigaton of GHG annually by 2050. We're scaling with our investors, board and partners, Zola, Nusne, Shell and Valinor. And we are raising round B right now, 25 million to 30 million. We're looking for 2 to 3 strategic partners or financial investors to go with us. Please take your picture of my QR code if you want to get into contact with me, if you want to join this ride. Thank you very much for your attention.